This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play EFootball well. To start, focus on mastering the fundamental controls. Practice your passing accuracy, perfect your shooting technique, and learn effective dribbling maneuvers. Understanding player movement and positioning is crucial for creating scoring chances and maintaining defensive shape. Dedicate time to practicing defensive tactics like pressing and tackling to efficiently regain possession from your opponents. These core skills form the bedrock of successful EFootball gameplay. Once you have a solid grasp of the basics, elevate your game with advanced strategies. Employ through balls to send your attackers into space behind the defense and use 1-2 passes for quick, intricate build-up play. Mastering skill moves, such as the step over or feint, allows you to outmaneuver defenders with ease. Furthermore, efficiently switching between your players is vital for maintaining strong defensive lines and intercepting opponent passes. These techniques will give you a significant edge. Beyond individual skill, effective team management is paramount. Select a formation that complements your preferred playstyle, whether it's an attacking 4-3-3 or a solid defensive 5-3-2. Customize your offensive and defensive instructions to adapt to different match scenarios and opponent strategies. Always prioritize selecting players with high ratings in crucial attributes like speed, passing, and finishing to maximize your team's overall performance. A well-organized team is often the difference between victory and defeat. Consistent practice is key to continuous improvement in EFootball. Engage in regular matches against a variety of opponents to test and refine your abilities. Make it a habit to review your match replays. This helps you pinpoint errors and understand where you can improve your decision-making. Don't be afraid to experiment with different players and team formations to discover what truly maximizes your effectiveness on the virtual pitch. Keep practicing, and you will see significant progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.